Welcome back to Grow Joyfully. I have some time alone here today, so I am going to cook and bake. I just made myself a fresh homemade hamburger with a fresh hamburger bun, and now I really want to try an orange chicken recipe. I looked at many of them on YouTube, and what it comes down to is everybody has a different recipe. So I'm just going to try what I think would taste good. So let's get started. Here's the hamburger bun I made myself because I'm making some bread to make one loaf of bread and some caramel rolls too. The first thing I'm going to do is cut up some chicken tenderloins into little chunks. Make sure you cut out the tendon in each one. Now I'm going to add the chicken pieces to a bowl that has a 1/4 cup of cornstarch and seasonings in it, like paprika and garlic salt, onion salt, and Lowry seasoning salt. And then just mix those up. And then we're going to fry them right here. Not all the way through, but just get them browned and get them started in this pan with avocado oil. Time to put them in the oil. We're just going to brown them on each side. In this bowl, I have added 1 1/2 cups of orange marmalade, a 1/4 cup of diced garlic, a 1/4 cup of barbecue sauce, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 3/4 cup of orange juice, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, and a 1/4 cup of rice vinegar. Just give that a good stir. And that's what we're going to put over the chicken once the chicken's browned, and we put it in the crock pot. I made some caramel rolls over here and a loaf of bread. So when I stay home and I have time, I really get to doing a lot of cooking. I'm really looking forward to this recipe because I've never tried it before, and I love orange chicken. I've greased my crock pot dish. The orange liquid that it's going to be cooked in is just marinating right here. And the chicken chunks are getting nice and brown. But first I'm going to add all the liquid, the yummy, lovely liquid that has orange marmalade, garlic, chili sauce, soy sauce, rice vinegar, orange juice, brown sugar, and the other ingredients to the pan, and just let it simmer for a minute. Then I'm going to pop it in the crock pot. I think I'm going to add 3 more tablespoons of cornstarch to some orange juice and try to thicken it up just a bit more. I kind of like a thick sauce. It smells so good. So we'll just stir that and wait for it to thicken. Okay, the sauce is thickening up now. I've turned the pan off and it's time to put it in the crock pot. I'm going to put it on low because it's pretty much all cooked. And then we will serve this over rice tonight and have a big green salad and caramel rolls for dessert. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It was fun for me to make it. It's really quite an easy, straightforward recipe. And there's probably even more shortcuts that you can take. But this was a lot of fun for me to make this. So thank you for dropping in. I hope you have a lovely day and we will see you on the next video.